And the question here, find the rectangular coordinate for each point with the given polar coordinates. This is r equals 4, theta equals pi over 6. I think some students joined to the class. Okay, who is? Okay.
الو السلام عليكم.
عليكم السلام.
السلام
سلام. يا مرحبا. حياكم الله. Okay, this is r and theta. Okay, what's the difference between polar and rectangular? Polar means r and theta. This is the coordinate. Rectangular coordinates x and y. This is any point B. Okay, maybe we can represent by polar as r and theta or x and y. Okay, good. Here in the question, the point is given by polar coordinate. How to convert this point to rectangular coordinates? Okay, we have here two formulas you should use to convert. X equal r cosine theta and y equals r sine theta. From where comes this formula? I think as you see here, this is theta, this is r, this is x. We can write what is the opposite here of theta y, what the adjacent of theta x. We can write here as you see here, cosine theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Use okay, adjacent x, hypotenuse r. We can write x here, r equals cosine theta, cross product. Also in the same way, sine theta, in the same way, sorry, equals opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite y over r. This is hypotenuse. This is, we can write here, y equals r sine theta. We have two formulas to convert between, yes, between what? Polar and rectangular coordinate. Okay, here, as you see, this is the example. We have a point represented in polar coordinates. This is r equals 4, but theta equals pi over 6. How to find x? X equals r cosine theta. This is r. Where is r? 4. 4 cosine theta, cosine pi over 6. Cosine pi over 6. We can use calculator to find this. Yes. How to use calculator? I will show you how to use calculator. This is 4 cosine pi over 6, shift pi over 6. Okay. Don't forget to convert your calculator to radian. Okay, shift, I think, mode 4 to radian. Then we can write, press equal here, the answer here, 2 radical 3. 2 radical 3, this is x. Okay, in the same way, we can find y. Y equals r sine theta. R equals 4 sine pi over 6 to get the answer here. This is 4 sine, okay, pi over 6, okay, to get the answer. The answer here equals 2. Finally, we can write P represent in rectangular coordinate as 2 radical 3, 2. That's it. Did you understand this, Shabab?
Yes, yes.
It's easy, just you should use the formula r cosine theta and uy equals r sine theta. Just a direct application. We cannot have any trick in this equation. This equation is easy for each student to solve. Okay, let's move to the next question. Next question, as you see here, we have many questions here, as you see, how to find the now here I think is different. This is here x and y. No, sorry, here r and theta. Also here r and theta. All these in polar coordinates. Okay, how to convert to x and y? Yes. Who can tell me here? Who can tell me?
Rectangulator said ولا؟
Yes, you need rectangular for coordinates. Yes, x. X in the same way, r cosine theta. This is r, this is theta. Okay, -6 cosine -120 degrees was the answer. You should use calculator. Before use calculator, you should convert your calculator to degree. Shift mode 3. Okay, then write -6 cosine, sorry, -6 cosine -120. Okay, to get the answer here equals 3. So x equals 3. In the same way, y equals r sine theta. Okay, this is equal, just substitute r -6 sine -120 degrees. Okay, the answers is, okay, in the same way, -6 sine, sorry, -6 sine -120. To get it, the answer here, 3 radical 3. 3 radical 3. We can so finally write the r as a point, 3 radical 3. This is x and y. This is x and y, but here r and theta. This is polar, okay, but here rectangular coordinate. This is the difference between this and this, okay? Is it clear for each one?
Yes, yes.
Okay. If clear, you can try to solve. I will give you 5 minutes to solve question 1B and 1C. Try to solve question 1B and 1C to check your understanding. Okay? I will give you 5 minutes. Okay, start. I am waiting to send your answers. Okay. Who did you send any answer?
Sir, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay. Okay, the last 10 seconds. Okay, did you send any answer in on chat? Okay, let me show. No answers.
أستاذ الحين برسلها أنا بس جالس أحمل.
Okay. Okay, Abdullah Anwar. Imam. عامر عبد الحكيم. فهد سعيد. Okay, Abdullah Anwar.
شاف الغلط أرسلت صورة ثانية أستاذ اسحبها لي.
Okay. Okay. Okay, let's start to solve the question. As you see here, this is R equals 5, theta equals pi over 3. The formula to find x equals R cosine theta. This is equals 5 cosine pi over 3. To find the answer, use calculator. As you see here, you should convert your calculator to radian 4, as you see here. This is 5 cosine pi over 3. The answer is 5 over 2. This is 5 over 2. In the same way, x equals r sine theta. Okay, just substitute here. 5 sine pi over 3. The answer is, yes, 5 sine, okay, pi over 3. Answer is 5 radical 3 over 2. 5 radical 3 over 2. We can write finally here as x and y coordinates. 5 over 2. Okay, 5 radical 3 over 2. That's it. Did you send, Mr. Abdullah, your answers? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, this is Abdullah. Okay, we can take your answers. Yes. And put it in here. Yes, this is the answer of Abdullah. Is excellent. Or this is the same answer. Okay, good. Well done, Mr. Abdullah here, as you see. Okay, right. Excellent. Well done. Okay, let's check the second question. R cosine theta, negative 3 cosine radical right. Also here, negative 3 sine 45 degrees. The same answer. Yes. Okay, close the bracket here. Don't forget it. Okay, this is the T point. Okay, well done. Well done, Mr. Abdullah. Okay. Okay. Any student else solve the question? Just Abdullah? Okay, let's move. This is, as Abdullah say, written here, x equals r cosine theta. In the same way, this is x, r negative 3 cosine 45. This is equal negative 3 radical 2 over 2. And the same y equals r sine theta. This is equal negative 3 sine 45 degree. This is equal the same answer, negative 3 radical 2 over 2. Finally, we can write t as in rectangular coordinates, negative 3 radical 2 over 2, comma, negative 3 radical 2 over 2. That's it. Okay, any question about this? How to convert polar coordinate to rectangular coordinate? It's easy, just use the formula r cosine theta and r sine theta for x and y. Any question? Hello?
نعم معك أستاذ ما في أي سؤال.
Okay, good. Let's move to the next question. Next question is how to convert rectangular to polar. إذن العكس الحين. إذن vice versa الحين العكس. Okay, find two pairs of polar coordinates for each point with the given rectangular coordinates. This is x and y. We have this is formula if x more than equals 0. Okay, and we have this is okay. We have another formula here if x less than 0. You should be careful here in this converting from polar to coordinate. This condition is very important. If x more than 0, you can use this. We don't add b. We don't add pi. We don't add 180. If x less than 0, you should add 180 or pi. Okay, to the angle. Be careful about this. I will show you that in many examples later. Okay, the first example here, how to convert rectangular to polar. Here we have x and y. Step 1, you should find what? Find here r. What r equals? R equals, yes, under square root x squared plus y squared. This is equal square root 1 square plus negative radical 3 squared. The answer here equals radical 4. This is equals 2. This is R. Okay, good. Step 2, to find the angle theta, because polar R and theta. R is calculated, equals 2. And now we try to calculate theta. What the formula you should use? This is tan, inverse tan y over x. This is, but x here is positive. We didn't need to add by or 180 because x is positive more than 1. Sorry, more than 0. Okay, good. This is equals inverse tan, okay, y negative radical 3 over 1. What the answer? You can use calculator to find this. Shift tan, okay, but okay, don't forget it to convert calculator to degree. To degree, I think, then maybe. Okay, shift mode 4. Okay, negative radical 3. Okay, over 1, because some students need to solve in detail. Okay, that's it. What's the answer? Negative pi over 3. Negative pi over 3. Either negative pi over 3. This is that. Finally, we can write point S as 2 negative pi over 3. Okay. Other question?
هذا نيجاتيف باي اوفر 3 اللي هي سالب 60.
Yes, the same. Yes, excellent. Okay.
لأن حليتها بالدقيقة طلع لي 60.
Yes, the same. Maybe write S equal to negative 60 degrees. The same answer. Okay? Did you understand this point?
Yes.
Yes. Is it clear for all?
Yes.
Okay, good, excellent. Okay, let's move to the next question, I think, in the same. How to solve this question. Try to solve this question. But here, this is a new idea I will give you. Okay, here are, this is x less than 0. This is y. Step 1, what we can do? How to find r? R equals square root x squared plus y squared. Okay, good. Here, what is x equal? Negative 3 squared plus y 6 squared. The answer here, what the answer? Yes, radical, open bracket, unforgetted bracket, square plus 6 square. The answer, 3 radical 5. 3 radical 5. This is the answer. This is R. Step 2, theta. Theta, tan, inverse tan, y over x plus pi. Y plus pi. Why? Why I added pi or 180? Why?
عشان
Who
تجيب
knows?
السالب تصير بالموجب.
Yes, because here x equals negative 3. This is less than 0. Here you should add what? You should add I. Yes, as you see here. You should add here pi. Okay, good. The answer here, inverse tan, yes, y6 over negative 3, okay, plus pi. Okay. This is shift tan, okay, 6 over -3 close brackets, okay, plus pi. The answer here 2.03 radian. This is the answer. This is equals 2.03 radian. This is the angle. Okay? We can write or we can write this in I think shift mode degree in the same way. Here just change, remove pi, but add 180, sorry. The answer 160.5. Okay, this is the angle.
هل يعني صح كله صح جالسين صح؟
Yes, this is in radian. This is in radian, or we can write theta equals inverse. Yes, 6 over -3 plus 180 degrees. This is equal 160. Okay, 0.5, approximately 170 degrees. We can write now finally T a point. Here are 3 radical 5 in radian 2.03, or the same T equals 3 radical 5. The angle here 117 degrees. Okay? Any question? Okay, شباب?
اوكي.
Yes. I think let's move the next slide. I think we don't have next slide here, but I will show you here. Yes, the same. Here. Okay. The question here, as you see, try to solve this question. Find 2 pairs of polar coordinates for each point with the given rectangular coordinates. Round to the nearest hundredth if necessary. We have here, this is X and Y. Okay. In the same way. Okay, but don't forget it here to find the another. Here, just find one represent. If we need to add one, you should here maybe هذا تمثيل واحد أخذنا. إذا حبينا نطلع تمثيل ثاني للنقطة T ممكن نضيف نحن هني شو؟ نضيف بلس باي. يعني ممكن أخذ تمثيل آخر T radical 3 radical 5 2.3 plus pi. Okay, that's it. Or this is equals, or T 3 radical 5 117 plus 180 degrees. Okay. Also the question I think this is maybe add another representation, s equal to negative 60. Okay, we can write s. Okay, also this is the second representation, 2 negative pi over 3 plus 2 pi. Okay, or s 2 negative pi over 3, sorry, negative 60. This is in degree, negative 60 plus 360. Here, I think the answer, okay, here, I think the answer, S equals to 5 pi over 6. Okay, here S equals to 300 degrees. Okay, the same. واضح شباب؟ ليش هنا ضفنا 2 باي بينما بالسؤال الآخر just here add 1 باي here in the second representation. Why? Because R is negative here, X is negative here, as you see here,
Another
negative.
question.
Yes. Okay. Let's move the next here. As you see, find 2 pairs of polar coordinate for each point, the same way. Okay, step 1, what we can do here? Who can tell me? Step 1, find what?
Give the R that
R
radical
radical x squared plus y squared.
Radical
Excellent. Okay, 8 squared plus 1, 10 squared. This is what the answer? Radical 8 squared plus 10 squared. The answer, 2 radical 41. 2 radical 41. Good. X here is positive. We don't need add 2 pi or 180. Step 2, theta equals inverse tan y over 6, y over x, sorry. This is inverse tan y 10 over 8. What's the answer? Then shift tan 10 over 8. The answer is 51 degrees. 51 degrees. If you need n, I think is good. Maybe this is 51.3. 51.3 degrees. Okay, exactly. We can write V. This is the first representation. Okay, 2 radical 41, 51.3 degree. Okay, the second. What is the second? 2 radical 41, and you should add what? 2 pi or 360. 51.3 plus 360 degrees. This is equal, I think, V 2 radical 41. Okay, I think plus 360. Sorry. 51.3 plus 360 degrees. The answer's 411. 411.3 degrees. This is the second. We have find 2 pairs. Pairs 1, pair 2. 2 pairs, okay? Yes. I solved the question 2A. I will give you some time to try to solve question 2B. Okay, all of you should work. I will give you 3 minutes. Okay, that's enough, I think. Okay. Try to solve.
إذا كان سالب بحط عليه قوس صح؟
Yes.
إذا كان السؤال سالب بحط عليه قوس صار يعني إكس قوس قوس.
What is your question, Mr.
كان سؤال
Yes.
صح ولا لا؟
Be careful about here. This is x equal -9, less than 0. You should add by.
أستاذ بس لو تيجي تود اللي قبلك شوي.
Here, okay. This is or. not equal or okay.
اعتقد انها
Yes. Okay, let's move to the next question. How to solve this question? Step 1. Did you send any answer here on chat? Okay, let's. Yes, Mr. Abdul Hakim. Okay. Good, Mr. Abdul. This is Mr. Yes. This is Mr. Abdul Hakim. Okay. Who is the next? Just Mr. Amr Abdul Hakim. Excellent. This is okay. Tan and first plus 180. Okay, this is excellent. Well done. Yes. Excellent, Mr. Am. Okay. That's easy to solve this question. Any, sorry, here. Who is the next here? Amr, the first one, who is? Not Amr Abdul Hakim, the first one. It's Abdullah Anwar, yes. The second one is excellent, Abdullah. Okay. This is, I think, Amr Abdul Hakim here, yes. Oh, okay, okay. This is Amr Abdul Hakim, yes. Okay. This is Amr. Okay, 70 by here, Mr. Amr. What the problem here? Who knows what the problem? Here x is -9. Okay. You should add.
You must added.
Yes.
By.
You should add by. Yes. Here you should add plus by or 180. That's it. So the answer here isn't right. Here, plus by or 180, like Mr. I think Mr. Abdullah. Okay. Be careful. Here you should plus by. Okay. Here, plus by or 360. Okay. Good. Very good, Mr. Amr Abdul Hakim, but you should correct. Okay, this is the answer, not right. Okay, it's easy question. Here, this is right. We can use the solution of Mr. Abdullah Anwar. Excellent, well done. Any question about the lesson today? What I think here شو ضل عنا بالسؤال convergence of coordinates. Okay. Well, I think just one idea here, polar equation. Polar equation, inshallah, we don't have enough time to explain this. Then still for the next lesson, inshallah, tomorrow, we complete the lesson. Any question about the lesson today? Any question? Thank you for sharing. Thank you for listening and share with me your ideas and to solve every question that I give you. Thank you so much. We'll see you inshallah tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.